Okay, we're gonna put this back now that it's all clean. So we gotta put the tubs in first. So that goes in here on this side. Other way. And you gotta put the white things in. The word should be facing you. No, other way. Come on. Alright. Now, other way. Nope, wrong one. Nope, that one goes over here. Other way. That goes in there. No, other way. Okay, good job. Now we gotta clean the tub. So get down from the chair.
What tub?
Huh?
What tub?
This is called the tub.
Tubby.
So
Get out of my way.
open the drawer and reach way in back. There should be a bottle to clean. See? What does that say?
I don't know. Washer magic.
Washer magic. Wait, you gotta read the instructions.
What?
Add half a cup to the detergent drawer. Run washer on normal.
Hey, where did the light go?
Okay, let's measure out half a cup. Which one of these is half? No, that's for Grandpa. Find the half cup.
This is a half cup?
What does that say?
Cup.
What's 1/3?
Half?
1/3 is a third. What's 1/4? You know what that is?
Half cup.
Yeah, half cup. 1/2 is a half.
My favorite color, blue. Blue. Hey, can I put the light on? Oh, how do I keep going in there? Hey, can I put on the light, please? How do you get the light on?
Let's pour it in first. Stand up on the thing.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay, so that is gonna go in here. Okay? So add half. Oh, it's covered.
You pour it in.
Okay, 1 second.